The factory design pattern is a creational design pattern that provides an interface or a method to create object without exposing the logic of how the objects are created. This follows the creation process to be centralized and standardized. Instead of creating objects directly by using new keyword, which tightly couples your code to specific classes, you delegate the creation to a factory. The factory decides which class instance to create it based on some input or logic. Imagine you want a pizza shop and customer can order different type of pizza. Let's say type A pizza, we have like type A pizza, type B pizza, type C pizza. Instead of manually preparing each pizza type, you create a pizza factory that takes the pizza type as input and gives the correct pizza as output. Here we have pizza A, pizza B, pizza C. Now let's we have a class, abstract class called pizza, which contain a method called get ingredients. Now this pizza class got implemented in pizza A. This is a type of pizza, pizza A. So if I'm creating object of this pizza A, it will return the ingredients related to pizza A. Means all those ingredients which are needed for creation of a type of pizza is written by a pizza through a method get ingredients. In the same way, we have pizza B, which return all the ingredients required to make pizza B. In the same way, we have pizza C. Now, I have created one pizza factory, and this pizza factory contains a create method which accept string type variable type. And on the basis of this type, it will decide what is the return type, what is the return type of object. Okay, so if it encounters a as an input, it will return a pizza object. If it comes up b as an input, it will return b pizza object. In the same way, if it return comes with c, it will return c pizza object, and so on. Now come to the client end. Now in this line, I am asking the user to enter a type, what type of pizza he wants to make. And here we are reading it. Now I'm already having pizza type. Let's say A. Now here I'm passing A to pizza factory method create pizza. And this create pizza factory create pizza coming up with A, and now it will return A pizza object. Now, this pizza contain the reference of a pizza class. And when I am calling get ingredients, since it contain the object of a pizza, it will return a pizza ingredients. Where it is? Here it is. So it will return these ingredients related to pizza A. Let's run the application to test whether it is working as expected or not. Here we can see that it has created ingredients related to pizza A. Okay, so here I am passing A. It is going here, and since it find A, it will return pizza A object, and this pizza A object is assigned to pizza. And when I am calling get ingredient with pizza, which actually holds pizza A object, will call this one, and it will return ingredients related to pizza A. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this one and put it C. Let us check. Now it comes up with ingredient related to pizza C. Now here I'm sending C, and on the basis of this switch cases, it goes here and create pizza C object. And now in pizza C, we can see ingredients related to pizza C. So in this way, we can create all these objects. Now, one thing is very important. Let me if at any point of time three things we can see is very much relevant, and we have observed that all the object creational logic is not there in client end, it is there in pizza factory. Okay, second one, we can see that if at any point of time I need to add new type, let's say I have to add this pizza d type. Okay, so where I need to do, I need not to do anything here. Okay, just I need to add the pizza d type in a factory. So the only point of modification in case of adding new pizza type is the factory, which make it very much maintainable over a period of time. I hope you understand the basic behind factory design pattern. If you have any query, ping me. I will happy to answer those queries.